Okay, welcome guys. Welcome to a new market week and another live trading session. Uh don't forget this is London session, and yesterday being 24th of July 2022 we look at this Audjpy. Don't forget, first of all, what we did was to try to analyze to see the overall trend of this currency pair. And if you agree with me, Audjpy right now is on a very serious uptrend within the range of this my screen. You can agree with me that this price at least will test this particular zone using monthly time frame right now. But right now, what we were able to look at that yesterday is that before the bullish pressure or bullish market will continue, the price is going to retest each of these region, these two regions that we just identify. Why I think so is because the price have reached another minor zone. So the price is right now in a minor zone. I think it's going to respect. So we should expect a retracement or retest to this region or this region before the bullish pressure will continue. So looking at that is monthly time frame. Now, being intraday trader, let's go to most smaller time frame to look at what is going to happen today in the market. Sure, this London session, this currency pair, this particular pair have been buying, which is a retest. We look at all these things the previous day. So leaving these two regions, let's move to daily time frame and see what we should expect today in the market. Okay, so the price will retest at least to this region. Okay, so it's currently buying. Let's go to 4-hour time frame. Okay, this is the two region that we identify with monthly time frame. This is 4 hours. Let's try to see what is going to happen in the market. So if this was a very strong bullish trend, uptrend, we are going to label everything so that it will be well explained. So let's identify this is our resistance zone. Resistance zone. Let's use bigger fonts so it will be visible enough. Okay. Don't forget the rule. It must touch at least two higher high or two higher low. So considering higher low, we can identify 3 key points that the price have tested the trend line. Considering the higher high, we can identify 2 key points. I don't want to consider this particular point since it seems like the position that the price in the past broke out of a trend. So we can see where the price broke trend trend line broken. Let's reduce the font size. Trend line broken. Let's use arrow since the position is tight to identify that point. Trend line broken. Let's put this in a zoom. Trend line broken. Okay, so what is going on in the market? Price is coming to retest the exact position that the price broke out of the trend line. But in some market condition, the price may exceed this line that the price broke out and come up to test this trend line. So we should expect both right now. Retest. So we should expect either the price will test just this level, this line that the price broke out, or it will come up to test the trend line itself. But often price normally go up to test the trend line instead of the exact position that the price broke out of the trend line. So most times they will just send candle to test this. At the end of the day, will pull back and form a wick, while the main body of the candlestick will close at this exact level that is supposed to stop. So what they're doing here is just a kind of stop loss hunt. Okay, so having identified that, we have our region identified from monthly time frame, that the price will come down right here to retest this. So we can call this support. Sorry about that. Support. Okay, so having identified that, we are going to fix our trading direction at the moment. Yesterday we analyzed this, we forecast the market that is going to buy this morning. So I don't know if this buy is going to complete today, but I said yesterday that it may take 1 or 2 days for this retest to complete. So far the retest is not complete yet, so we should expect something like this. Okay, so when the price gets to this place, it's going to retest this level, then continue selling. This is what we should expect on Audjpy this week, at least on a long time trading plan. This is what we should expect. The price broke out of the trend line, so right to this region. The price so down to this region. This is the region that the price will come down to retest. Permit me to correct that. So this is what we should expect this week on Audjpy. So if you're trading, if you're on buy, make sure you watch. When the price gets to this place, you should be able to identify a reversal candlestick in case something like that came up. But in some, let's say, often situations that usually occur, price normally rather respect the trend line to come up to retest the trend line before it started buying. So watch out, be mindful of where you fix your TP before you start taking the sell trade. Be able to identify to have a clear confirmation before you jump into the trade to avoid unnecessary error and mistake in your this analysis.